There are two ways of growth. I'm not talking about physical growth, more in terms of evolution or growing as a person in your personality, more in terms of maturity. Some people are more towards the social interactions where they find happiness in helping others, being with others, and trying to be part of doing a lot of team activities, leadership activities, trying to help someone who is in need. So that is one way of growth. In terms of spirituality, it is more to do with service to humanity. Many people be part of the charity in these kinds of Ramakrishna mission or Sri Krishna, these kind of ISKCON temple. There are a lot of volunteers who are trying to help other people by during the Annadanam, or trying to help give extra service as part of their happiness or willingness to contribute to society. The other side of the development or evolution is more to do with internal growth. Here they are more not very social kind, so they have their own way of looking at things. They're not too much bothered by what people think about them, or they don't do much about impressing people. They live their life in a more calmer way, more focused on their personal growth and trying to understand their own self, more mindfully. They are focused on trying to find out a lot of existential questions like where I have come from, and then what is life going like, things like that. These days in the clinics, I started seeing more youngsters where they're already having material fulfillment, and then they have gone through a lot of relational issues. They're already into this stage of trying to find out what next, what is life like, and this is all the life, and a lot of existential questions coming into them, and then a lot of spiritual search starting at a very young age. So this is definitely a kind of good progress. In no way they harm the society. At the same time, they mind their own business and then try to do what helps them to grow as persons. These two ways are something that will help you to grow as a person from where you are standing right now. But other things of running around, trying to accumulate more money, trying to have a lot of other things, talking about others and trying to compare yourself, how much you are in par with others, all these does not really help you to grow as a person. So I hope this short audio makes some sense to some of you. Thank you.